Why is China's economy slowing down, and what does it mean for stimulus efforts? 2026. Why is China's economy slowing down, and what does it mean for stimulus efforts? The slowdown is shaking global markets and sparking urgent talks of new stimulus measures. You need to understand what's happening now. China's economy has hit a significant slowdown in 2026, with GDP growth falling short of government targets. This unexpected drop is causing concern among investors and policymakers alike. The slowdown is notable because China is the world's second-largest economy, and its performance directly impacts global trade and supply chains. This weak growth has reignited discussions within Beijing about implementing fresh stimulus measures to boost economic activity and stabilize markets. The sectors hit hardest by China's economic slowdown are manufacturing and exports. As demand weakens domestically and abroad, factories face reduced orders, leading to layoffs and lower output. Major Chinese companies in these sectors are already reporting lower revenues. This slowdown also affects global companies relying on Chinese supply chains, causing ripple effects worldwide. The pressure on these sectors is driving government officials to reconsider targeted stimulus aimed at boosting consumption and production. In response to the slowdown, Beijing is actively discussing new stimulus options. These talks focus on measures such as increased infrastructure spending, tax cuts, and monetary easing to encourage lending. The goal is to reignite growth without exacerbating debt risks. Past stimulus efforts helped China recover from downturns quickly, so the government is cautiously weighing how to act swiftly but sustainably. These discussions signal recognition that immediate action may be necessary to stabilize the economy. China's economic troubles do not stay within its borders. A slowdown reduces demand for raw materials, pushing down commodity prices worldwide. Global investors react nervously to the uncertainty, leading to market volatility. Countries heavily dependent on exports to China face economic challenges. This interconnectedness makes China's stimulus decisions critical not just for its own recovery, but for global economic stability. Watching China's next moves is essential for anyone connected to global markets. Stay alert to upcoming Chinese government statements on stimulus measures and economic policy. Also watch monthly economic data such as industrial output, retail sales, and export figures. These indicators will reveal whether stimulus plans are effective or if the slowdown deepens. For businesses and investors, this data will guide decisions on risk and opportunity tied to China's economy. The next few months will be critical in shaping the global economic outlook. China's economic slowdown could affect your investments, jobs, and prices for goods you buy. Understanding the government's stimulus plans helps you prepare for possible market shifts. Stay informed by subscribing to Daily Q&A for real-time updates on this unfolding story.